Ever heard this before? You need to win more trades to become a profitable trader. It sounds right until it's dead wrong. Because here's the truth. A trader who wins just 40% of the time can make more money than one who wins 70% of the time. How? Discipline. Today, I'm going to show you why discipline is the secret sauce of every successful trader and how it turns the odds in your favor, even when the numbers say you should be losing. Let's start with the biggest misconception in trading psychology, the idea that winning more equals earning more. New traders often chase high win rates. They want to feel like winners. So they tweak their strategies, avoid stop losses, and hold on to bad trades just to avoid the pain of being wrong. But in reality, they're losing money slowly, consistently. Why? Because they focus on being right, not being profitable. Imagine this. Trader A wins 70% of the time but loses $500 on average when they're wrong and only makes $200 when they're right. Trader B wins only 40% of the time but makes $800 on their winning trades and limits losses to $200. Who's the better trader? Trader B every single time, because they understand risk-reward. And more importantly, they have discipline. So what exactly is discipline in trading? It's sticking to your rules, no matter what. Discipline means entering a trade only when your setup is confirmed, never risking more than your defined amount, exiting on your stop loss without hesitation, taking profits without greed. Sounds easy, right? It's not, because trading isn't just about charts. It's about emotions. Fear, greed, FOMO, revenge, and discipline is what keeps you centered when your emotions scream for control. The market doesn't care how smart you are, but it respects consistency. And consistency comes from discipline. Let's get specific. Suppose you take 100 trades. Disciplined trader wins 40 trades. Makes $300 per win equals $12,000. Loses 60 trades. Loses $100 per trade equals minus $6,000. Total profit equals $6,000. Undisciplined trader wins 70 trades. Makes $100 per win equals $7,000. Loses 30 trades. Loses $500 per trade equals minus $15,000. Total loss equals minus $8,000. See the magic? The key isn't how often you win. It's how well you manage both sides of the trade. And the tool that makes this possible? Discipline. Want to know who uses this strategy perfectly? Casinos. Casinos win less than 51% of the time in games like blackjack or roulette, but they make billions. Why? Because they stick to strict odds, never deviate from their system, control risk relentlessly. You can trade like a casino, set the odds in your favor, manage risk, and let the edge play out. Over time, you'll win, even if you lose more often than you win. So why is discipline so hard? Because of your brain. Your mind is wired to avoid pain and seek pleasure. That means you want to avoid losses. You want to feel smart. You want instant rewards. Discipline requires the opposite. It asks you to accept short-term pain for long-term gain. Be wrong without reacting emotionally. Delay gratification, even when profits are within reach. Developing discipline is like training a muscle. You need practice. You need structure. And most importantly, you need self-awareness. Start by journaling your trades. Write down your rules and track when you break them. Review your emotional state before and after each trade. The more conscious you are of your patterns, the more control you have. Let me give you a concrete roadmap. Step 1. Define your edge. What's your winning setup? What's your risk per trade? What's your reward target? Without a clear system, discipline has nothing to follow. Step 2. Create accountability. Use a trading journal. Set daily review times. Join a community or mentor group. You can't manage what you don't measure. Step 3. Master emotional detachment. Use stop losses like seat belts. Take profits like clockwork. Accept losses without reacting. Remember, every loss is just part of the system, nothing more. Here's the truth every successful trader knows. Discipline is more valuable than a high win rate. Because the market rewards those who can outlast it, not outsmart it. So stop chasing wins. Start mastering yourself. Your strategy doesn't need to be perfect. Your psychology does. And that's how discipline, not luck, not guesses, makes you a profitable trader.